Right, so I'm going to quickly go through some crypto stocks. I've already made a video earlier, so I'm trying to keep this really short. I'm going to try and get back into doing them. I'm a bit rusty, so let's see what happens. Let's go. So, Bitcoin, 1 month chart. RSI, stochastic RSI is flat. The monthly close was a hammer candle. And there's an inside bar. So if we break out this range, which we already have done at the start of November, you can expect it to be very volatile. So for this, I'm looking where I take a fib. So I'm going to go from a recent high rather than from the top. I'm probably going to look around here on the monthly to take a fib. Because we come down here, we bounce back up. So I'm going to say that's the most recent high. So if we can shoot back up to 36,000, which would be in line with the 20-year May, which would be very interesting for Bitcoin because everyone seems to think it will break down to 10,000. I just think to myself, too many people are calling that. So with that hammer, with the World Cup and things going on, I know Crypto.com are a sponsor. I know that won't probably affect Bitcoin, but it could have some kind of relief rally, which I expect the resistance to come in at least at around 40,000. So, I mean, we don't just come straight down, but it will create some kind of S curve. So if you're on a monthly chart, so like here, so we come down from the high at 67,000, we bounce back up to around 50, and then we carry on and we get sort of like the S curve. So I can imagine us coming back up around 36,000 and then come down. I'm not going to go massively accurate because I'd seem to not be that great at Bitcoin when it comes to predicting what it will do. It's a crazy one for me. But I see the resistance at least coming in at the 40,000. So anywhere from 36 to 40,000, there'll be a lot of resistance. And then I think we could continue down lower. But I don't think we'll be going down there just yet. Not before Christmas. I doubt it very much, but then they have a way of making you think it's going one way and then bring it down. But we'll see. I'm going to leave Bitcoin. Let's look at a daily on the Bitcoin, or weekly, sorry. Again, weekly, we're very much sideways. But we could be breaking out that trend there if I remove the fib. Like a lot of the altcoins, they've broken out here. Let's have a look. They broke out the trend line. We've gone beyond it here with Bitcoin, so be interesting. Daily chart, overbought, it's showing, but the volume being the previous month easily down to September. So the most volume we've had since September. So we'll see what happens. Be interesting. We could probably just come up to as far as 25 and reject around here too. Depending which time frame. I think we might be in for the bigger time frame play, to be honest. But we'll see. Ethereum. Again, that breakout. The monthly, still massively oversold. We had the inside bar in July and literally did we hit the 618. Well, we hit beyond 618 towards the 786 and then started to do a previous bullish couple of months with ETH. Interesting pattern there. Double inside bar. You can see the resistance starting to come in. Around 618. Maybe we'll get to the 886 on this one, which will be probably over the next few weeks. But it's around 2000, so maybe we'll get a 2000 wall there, like we did prior to here. Come down, make another low, and then continue up. Right, near protocol. One of the ones that I'm looking forward to this year. So on a monthly chart, not enough history there. Weekly, we're bottomed out. Just very sideways here. This week, candle, there's a hammer there. Probably go down to a daily. Possibly, if we continue up, look. I think the 8-hour chart probably be stronger there. Look at the 8-hour. Okay, that's kind of more interesting. So on the protocol, on the 8-hour chart, see the resistance coming in at 618. So putting a higher high, a lower high, and a higher high. And then we get the resistance here. So if we were going to have a bit of a relief rally on this one, I'd be looking to buy at $3, around $3 for this. It's a good buy. Matic, I won't be getting any Matic. It seems to me it's gone on here. We're going to need to come back on the stochastics RSI there. I think it's going to do well. So if I was wanting to get some more Matic, to look at the long term, see what I think here on the monthly, retail weekly. Let's look. These in there. I mean, we continue to go up, possibly up 786, around 250, 260. If I was going to look at it on the 8 hours, if I wanted to get in, the lowest time frame I'm going to go to is 8 hours. So look, where I'd get in on 8 hours for Matic would be around 786. So $1 would be fine. If you want to load up, I wouldn't buy in now even if you think it's going to continue up. So if I was looking for an entry, I'd be looking at around $1. Now, one of the ones I want to look at is CRO, because that's been going. Chronos, let's have a look. Okay, this is flying at the moment. This is, I think, down to the World Cup. Look at the monthly. Monthly, massively oversold. You can see the RSI, we're getting enough data on there. You can see we've bottomed out. Weekly. I'll look on the weekly where look at. So maybe what 15 cents. So I don't think we will even get a pullback to the 15 cents now. I think that's about it. So yeah, 14, 15 cents. I think we'll start in the 786 looking. I mean, we could bounce to the 618, but I'd expect us to come a lot lower. Let's look on the daily, see if it still feels the same. So we're overbought on the daily. So yeah, 618 could be initial target. 786, 150. Sorry, what? Not 150. 15 cents for CRO. Look at the 8 hours. See if I wanted to continue this, where I'd look for an entry. So I might myself get a little entry on this, and then sell and rebuy more. So look. I'll say around 11 cents. I'd look for there to get back in. CKB, that isn't moving yet. See if it breaks the trend. It's the monthly. So we get an inside bar here. I'm just buying little bits. I'm stocking up on this. Don't know why, I just got a feeling. Rune. Get released drawings. They're probably from like 3-4 months ago. So what's happening in Rune? Oversold monthly, weekly. Starting to get some bullish divergence coming in. So yeah, Rune, any price we could buy now really with Rune. On the 8 hour chart, okay, so the daily, let's have a look here. This one. Okay, so on Rune, $150. I look at 150. Yeah, 150, 155. At the moment we're overbought on the daily. I expect a pullback. I think it'll be an aggressive pullback here as well. I think we will get the 150. So you got the volatility here. We're getting the selling coming in. So yeah. See, we're level up with the previous resistance here. If we break above, then yeah, we're gonna have a very good run with Rune, and yeah, there's not a lot there. So yeah, you're looking potentially $2 we could fly up to, but then I'd see a lot of selling pressure here. So I'll end up, we hit $2, I'm selling what I bought, and I'll look for a rebuy around the 150, 170 actually. If we hit $2, I'll look at 170, which is 20% pullback, and then hopefully a continuation depending on what Bitcoin does. Quant, wow, it's a massive run. The daily. So I'm going to look at this on a weekly. That daily's spent for me. So weekly, where would I get quant? Which I do want. I do not have any. If I can get it at 100, I'll buy out $100. But 80 would be a dream. I mean, it could even be worth, with that pin there, even put a buy order in at 80. Let's see if you hit it. $80 for quant. That's what I'd like to see. Look at anything else. I think that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to keep this one short. I've not got time to do anything else. I don't want to do other things. I've already made a video. I'm just practicing getting back in the videos. Sorry if it was hell and you didn't like it, but I'm going to start making more of them again. Now I've got a bit more free time. And as we're starting to get the market, it's waking up a bit, not just in the downtrend. not everybody's comfortable in shorting the market, and a lot of people might not even have the tools to do so or the time to do so. I find with shorts, I like to watch where buying. Yeah, I'm okay just to leave that with a stop loss, but we'll see. Gala was one that I seen had a bit of a pullback earlier, but it looks like it's been bought back up. See, Gala was one of my favorites. If you just go and look at the platform and see what games have got there already and what looks like it's about to come out, looks very interesting. I really feel strong on this one. I want to start picking some up. I think potentially just to get back where we were, 2,100% on Gala games. Amazing. And out of all the ones I've looked at, it always seems to be the better one for me. I've looked at quite a few of these play to earn games, but I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet. Anyway, if you like what you see and you want to join me again, I'm sure I'll get better and faster at doing this now. It's been a long time since I made a video. I just now I've got the computer to do it and a bit of free time. I have less time than I used to, and we'll see where we go. So enjoy.